Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add an item to your cart on Alibaba. Open up the web browser. Here search Alibaba. Click to open its site. Go into your profile icon. Click on Google to sign in with Google. Choose your account to continue. Now you can see in profile you're signed in with your account. Then click on Ready Ship. Here search Games. Scroll to see different games. Then click on Ready to Ship from Product Features. Scroll down to open any game. Then click on Ready to Ship. Here open any product. Here you can see the product is ready to ship. Check out its pieces and everything. Click on Add to Cart. Choose to add the product in the cart. So set the piece at 1, then add it to the cart. As you can see, it is added successfully. Refresh the page, then open the cart. To view your added products, click on the product, then slide to verify yourself. If they detect unusual traffic from your network, then please verify. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.